Most consultants are stuck in a simple trap. More clients means more hours. I used to work the same way until I rebuilt my consulting business using AI agents. Instead of doing everything myself, I designed a system where different AI agents handle research, strategy, content, and operations. Today, I don't scale by working harder. I scale by improving the system. In this video, I'll break down exactly how my AI agent stack works, how it changed my output, and how you can apply the same model to your business. Today, I want to show you how I rebuilt my consulting business. Not optimized, not improved, rebuilt. I moved from a solo operator model to an AI-native consulting system. The goal is very clear. Maximize leverage, reduce dependency on time, and turn consulting into a scalable system. This is not about using AI tools. This is about designing a system where output is no longer limited by human effort. This is the real shift. Before, as a solo operator, my revenue was directly tied to my working hours. Every task required me to switch context, research, writing, meetings. Growth was limited by my personal capacity. After I became an AI orchestrator, agents handle execution autonomously. The system creates value independently of my time. And most importantly, I can scale without adding headcount. So this is not optimization. This is a full operating model replacement. The problem is structural. Consulting does not scale. First, time is the bottleneck. Every hour sold is an hour gone forever. Second, revenue grows linearly. If you want more income, you must work more. Third, cognitive overload. Switching between deep work and admin tasks kills focus and increases errors. So the issue is not scale. The issue is that the business model is fundamentally inefficient. The core idea is leverage. First, replace manual steps with agent-driven workflows. Second, decouple value from time. Output should scale independently from how long you work. Third, focus only on the deliverable. How the work is produced becomes the system's responsibility. This is the definition of an AI-native firm. The solution is a modular agent system. Each agent owns one function. This creates functional specialization, just like a real company. At the same time, all agents are connected through orchestration. So instead of doing everything yourself, you manage a coordinated system. This is what enables scale without increasing complexity. Let's break down the first layer. The research agent handles market intelligence. It replaces hours of manual research with fast, structured insights. The strategy agent applies frameworks, SWOT, Porter's 5 forces, positioning. It converts raw data into clear strategic direction. So instead of spending days analyzing data, you get decision-ready insights in minutes. The second layer is execution. The content agent transforms strategy into deliverables. Slide decks, reports, scripts, everything client-ready. At the same time, the ops agent handles the business infrastructure. CRM updates, meeting summaries, follow-ups. These are invisible but critical tasks. Together, these agents create a full execution engine. This is how work flows through the system. First, input, a client problem or brief. Second, process. Agents execute sequentially. Research analyzes. Strategy structures. Content builds the output. Third, output. Ready to deliver consulting assets. At the end, I only trigger the system and review. So I am no longer doing the work. I am managing the pipeline. The performance improvement is clear. Output increases by 3 to 5 times. Turnaround time drops from weeks to days. And quality becomes consistent. Because workflows are standardized, every deliverable meets a high baseline. This allows me to run multiple projects at the same time without burnout. Let's look at a real case. A consulting firm with 45 consultants faced inefficiency in junior-level work. After deploying AI agents, administrative time dropped by 70%. Client capacity increased by 3 times. Revenue per consultant increased by 45%. And the full system was deployed within 90 days. This is not theory. This is operational transformation. The biggest impact is on the business model. You stop selling time. You start selling systems. Pricing shifts from hourly to value-based. Margins expand because execution cost drops. And you can scale without hiring more people. Your system becomes your advantage. This transition follows 4 steps. First, audit your workflow. Identify what consumes time and attention. Second, automate. Replace one task at a time with AI agents. Third, orchestrate. Connect agents into a full pipeline. Fourth, scale. Focus only on decisions and clients. The system handles execution. There are real risks. First, garbage in, garbage out. Weak input leads to weak output. Second, automation dependency. If you disconnect from the work, you lose control. Third, human judgment. AI executes, but responsibility stays with you. The most dangerous system is one without human oversight. This is the new consulting playbook. AI agents become your invisible team. Your role shifts to decision-making, and your business becomes a system. The future belongs to operators who design workflows, not workloads. If you can build the system, you can scale without limits.